Hello and thank you for taking the time to learn more about MWR Financial. My name is Sally Hamilton, and over the next few minutes I have the privilege of sharing with you how our Financial Edge membership is helping hundreds of mortgage and real estate professionals, just like you, close more loans and sell more homes, and more importantly, how we can do the same for you. However, before I explain how we do this, let me tell you a little more about our company. MWR Financial was founded in 2013 with an executive team that has over 75 years of business and financial experience. We are a debt-free privately owned company that is currently recognized as one of the fastest-growing businesses in the financial solutions industries. Our success is a direct result of the incredible services provided through our Financial Edge membership, which has recently been recognized by America's Money Answers man Mr. Jordan Goodman, as the most comprehensive financial services solution ever offered to the general public. Our Financial Edge membership includes 4 core services and access to our Debt Resolution Center. These services, along with our team of financial experts, can provide you and your clients with solutions to virtually any financial challenge. However, what makes our membership so appealing is the price. For less than the cost of a cup of coffee per day, your clients and their spouse will get everything they need to help them qualify for the loan or home they want. And best of all, our experts do all the work. With that said, let's talk about each of these services and how they can benefit both you and your clients.
Hi, my name is Ken Johnson. Allow me to share with you about the MWR products. It all starts with our Credit Max credit restoration program. Since over 80% of Americans have enough negative information on their credit file to keep them from obtaining normal financing. This service is one of the most popular with our mortgage and real estate partners, because it's specifically designed to help your clients get their credit scores back to the best shape possible, so they can save money by qualifying for the best loan programs possible. As a matter of fact, clients that participate in this service typically experience an average credit score increase of 50 to 150 points or more, in a 2 to 8 month period of time or even less. This type of increase in your client's credit scores can have a huge impact on their rate, down payments, and their ability to qualify. All of which leads to you closing more loans or selling more homes. We are also not new to this industry. Our team has over 25 years of experience. We are a RESPA and CROA compliant credit restoration company, and we are extremely proud to be recognized as one of the only credit restoration companies in history to have a federal judge sign off as to our compliance with the Creditor Repair Organizations Act. This was a huge accomplishment that gave us court precedence while separating us from the competition. But more importantly, it provided our clients and partners with the security of knowing that they are working with a credit restoration company that complies with the law. However, what we're the most proud of is our track record. With over 100,000 satisfied customers and a spotless record with the BBB, our philosophy to under-promise and over-deliver has made us one of the most trusted credit solutions in the industry. With that said, here's what your clients can expect. They will have access to free credit reports, personalized disputes to all 3 credit bureaus, credit rebuilding services to help them establish or re-establish their credit scores, and an online portal to upload their reports directly to our processors for immediate service and unlimited support. We also offer an optional monitoring service for those clients that would like to keep track of their results in real time. For just $19.95 per month, MoreSmartCredit.com will give them access to all of their credit reports and scores, text and or email alerts of any changes to their reports, transaction alerts, ID theft alerts, and a whole lot more. With Credit Max you'll be able to retain your clients, add them to your pipeline, increase your closing percentages, and separate yourself from the competition by providing solutions to your clients' credit challenges, instead of just a turn-down letter. However, we also realize that credit is not the only reason your clients can be turned down for lending. That's why our Equity Max Debt Elimination and Equity Acceleration System can provide each of your clients with a customized monthly plan of action to eliminate all of their debts, including their new or existing mortgage, in record time. This is a proprietary debt roll-down program that can help your clients build equity quickly and allow them to reduce their debt-to-income ratios, without any negative impact on their credit. By following our plan, your clients can increase their borrowing power, as well as their ability to refinance or purchase a home. Based on 2016 debt figures for the average American consumer, here's an example of what our Equity Max system can do for your clients. As you can see, this consumer has the same amount of debt and the same monthly payment on their existing creditor's plan, as they do on our Equity Max plan. However, On their creditors plan, it will take them 29 years to get out of debt and it will cost them over $233,000 in interest, but by simply following our Equity Max plan, they will be out of debt in just under 8 years and they will only pay a little over $73,000 in interest. That's a total savings of over 21 years off their time in debt and almost $160,000 in interest alone. And best of all, they don't have to spend one dime more than they are right now to make it happen. This is just one more way our Financial Edge membership allows you to separate yourself from the competition, increase your referrals and eliminate equity or debt-to-income ratio challenges for your clients, so you can close more loans or sell more homes. However, the real impact is what it can do for your relationship with your clients. By providing them with this solution, you'll no longer be just the mortgage or real estate person that helped them get their home, you'll be the one that went the extra mile by showing them how to pay it off, in record time. In addition to Credit Max and Equity Max, our Financial Edge membership also includes unlimited financial advice on demand, where our Money Max CPAs and CFPs can provide your clients with the answers to virtually any financial questions they may have, including an understanding of the tax advantages of homeownership, how to budget and save for down payments or the best ways to increase their cash flow, as well as tax reduction strategies that can potentially increase their buying power. This advice and support can be a huge benefit for your clients that need assistance figuring out how to qualify for the home they want and how to manage the cash flow they need in order to maintain their payments. But it doesn't stop there. By reviewing our audio library or plugging into our Wealth Max coaching calls, your clients can be educated on how to use real estate to build wealth, the advantages of owning versus renting and the best ways to build equity in their home. Access to this knowledge can potentially turn your buyers into real estate investors, providing you with even more business. And last but certainly not least, is our Debt Resolution Center. Our debt resolution specialists can help your clients resolve any of their past tax or bad debt issues quickly. Our tax debt relief experts can help your clients obtain IRS and state tax lien releases while also being able to assist them with penalty abatements, offer in compromise or fresh start programs to eliminate all of their past tax issues. For those clients that need to settle or eliminate one or more of their bad debts, in order to qualify for lending, our debt settlement and debt validation experts can help them get lump sum settlements in record time for a fraction of what they owe, or if they can afford a lump sum, we can also set them up on affordable monthly payments, and in some cases our debt validation team may be able to help them totally eliminate their debt altogether. By having access to our debt resolution experts, you can eliminate the headache of trying to handle these challenges yourself, as well as those last-minute debt issues that can keep you from closing a loan or selling a home. With that said, you've just seen how our Financial Edge membership can help you close more loans and sell more homes to increase your mortgage or real estate income. However, we also understand the expenses associated with being a mortgage or real estate professional and how an additional stream of income can help you offset or eliminate some of these costs. That's why MWR Financial wants to pay you daily for sharing our membership with your clients. Now Sally will share with you how you will be compensated for sharing this incredible program.
Thank you, Ken. With that said, you've just seen how our Financial Edge membership can help you close more loans and sell more homes to increase your mortgage or real estate income. However, we also understand the expenses associated with being a mortgage or real estate professional and how an additional stream of income can help you offset or eliminate some of these costs. That's why MWR Financial wants to pay you daily for sharing our membership with your clients. It all starts with our 100% customer bonuses. By simply sharing our Financial Edge membership with your clients or others, you're able to earn $80 on each customer you personally enroll, $40 on their first payment and another $40 on their second billing. And when you enroll 3 or more customers, your Financial Edge membership is absolutely free, for as long as your customers remain active. But it gets even better. Your customers can also refer others to make their membership free, and when they do, you can earn these same bonuses on the customers they refer. This makes each of your customers a potential referral source that can help you grow your business and increase your income. Not to mention, this one form of revenue could potentially eliminate your credit report expenses or compensate you for your time spent with a client that otherwise may have never been able to qualify. But most importantly, you're able to be compensated for providing your clients with a solution that can help them accomplish the ultimate goal of closing their loan or purchasing their home. By becoming a consultant with our company, you're going to have everything you need to close more loans and sell more homes, providing a win-win scenario for everyone involved. Your clients will get to benefit from our team of financial experts restoring their credit or eliminating their debts in record time to increase the equity in their homes and lower their debt-to-income ratios. Not to mention, the best ways to increase their cash flow and buying power, so they can get the loan or own the home they want. You, on the other hand, will get to benefit from having a system that will allow you to create clients, instead of just competing for the same ones as everyone else. You'll be able to turn renters into buyers and advertise to every consumer, instead of just the ones that are already able to qualify. You'll have the opportunity to get paid on all of your future turndowns, with the ability to revisit and recapture your database of past turndowns. All of which will increase your pipeline, help you retain your customers and separate you from the competition, so you can actually close more loans or sell more homes. Leaving you with the reality of knowing that the only way you or your clients can lose is if you choose not to participate. With that said, timing in everything in business, and every minute you're not offering these solutions to your clients, it could be costing you time and tens of thousands of dollars you will never get back. So, what are you waiting for? Get back to the MWR financial consultant that shared this information with you, get all of your questions answered and get started today. Thank you again for your time, and let me be the first to welcome you to the MWR financial family.